Hi lovelies, hi, how is everyone? Yes, so let's go to Kalangala. This is some pot. I don't know the name of the pot, but you board using these metal ramps, and anything that involves deducting my money, no please. So that man offered to help me carry my suitcase, and I told him I don't have money, and he left it. Then some other guy also tried. Wanange nze nja kwestulira ebintu byange, sirina tipu. I've already paid the host for the planning, so I don't plan on spending extra besides maybe on a souvenir. Yeah, so you climb with your stuff, then they keep them. This is the ship of our boat that we use. Then first things first, they show you how to protect yourself in case of sinkage. Yeah, so this guy was trying to show us what to do. Enjoyment. So these are some of the pictures I took. The first one was with my Oppo, then this is with an iPhone. this is the arrivals. This is the walking deck where you pass to get off from the boat to the island. The people, the water levels on this day, the water was reaching that parts of this deck, and I was worried. Then this is the entrance to the hotel where we're going to spend 3 days. Actually, it's 2 nights and 3 days. Yeah, I was worried. So now we are in a room. I'm sharing with some girl. She's sleeping there, and this is my bed. They just separate it like with a drawer. So these are the curtains. Then there's the bathroom. There's a wardrobe there. I should have recorded this with a behind camera. But then we have a balcony. First activity of the day was breakfast, which was the one I showed you. Next thing was the nature walk, and I will share with you guys my experience on this trip. So for the nature walk, the views are worth it, but it's a full workout because you will walk, you will climb hills, you will move through grass will pierce your legs, but this is the view that we are working towards too, so it was worth it. I enjoyed this moment, but not the climbing. Mind you, that grass is sharp. Is it spear grass? So it is pricky. So for my sisters who wore shorts or skirts or short dresses, trust me, they had a hard time. For this trip, my best part was the boat cruise to the island. The meals were 5 out of 10 because most of the time at least one of the items had chili, and I don't eat chili, so that's why I give it a 5. The only time I had good food was on the first day of dinner. It was a barbecue kind of thing, and they were sweet. The goat's meat was nice, but for the rest, the other thing I enjoyed was the nights. There was campfire, and And the setup was really great because the nights were really colder than usual, so it helped.
Nemugenda kundeka ate ensembeyo.
Tunywa bia tugenda tukyasiza
Is about the fire, but you'll see it in front. So this is some weird tree that we met inside the forest. It grew like on the ground and then climbed from there. So after lunch, I think we went for this. This was a separate activity that was optional. It's called the speed at which this thing moves, and the guy said you're not supposed to slow down, so that's why I was screaming my lungs out. The rest of the time we spent it moving around on double swings or chillaxing while others are swimming. Some people went swimming. Another disclaimer for this trip of Kalangala, one of the activities which was my favorite, which I was looking forward to. First of all, before I go there, this is the dinner setup I was talking about. We were not the only ones who were on the island, so they were catering for everyone who was on the island. And they did a romantic setup with candles and everything. If you had gone with your Mr. or Mrs. you would like that. So the food on this day was nice, and at least I made sure I asked if whatever was put on my plate had chili, because for lunch and morning breakfast I didn't, and I put one of the foods would have, or sauce would have chili, and I end up mixing my plate up and everything gets chili on them, and I hate the food then and then. So yeah, but this time around I made sure I asked, does this have chili? Does this have chili? The whole time, so I enjoyed this food. Yes, so I was telling you guys I had a bad experience on this trip. One of the things which I was looking forward to, which was the boat cruise, got cancelled because anyway, I feel like they just gave us weird excuses, because that is one of the reasons why I paid for it. So it made me hate the whole trip because who goes to Kalangala and doesn't cruise?
Come on. Kukiriza jensi ekyuka
Mixing the best international music. It's your favorite DJ, DJ Shitsky.
Girls in my crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram. Online like London Bridge. I don't care if I see you in a magazine. Money to shut out, baby, I need a free liquor like ice cream. As if you're being to read this nothing, this nothing. Jump like a knife, what's up, a man, there's no stopping. Go soft,
Mr. Vibes and Vibes.
Eitahola, shakunjani, now we are born, must to chive, Kosio Mpalo, Mafukami, Kosie Kwaito, Mafukate, Kantupula, Skukatela, Santu, Mazenzela, Aibola.
This is the road which takes you to the boarding area.
For whatever, still no ever, for whatever, punch me through, Inga Saba, Jelly Logo. Asna Swani Nabo, Sizimpini, Avocado, Ola Mpiji, Oilabo, Mozambique, Obrigado, Vanorisi, Ushipaito, Apurisi, Raimo Mlato, Yankizola, Izo, Kosia Boma, Masha Misho, Manga Swanga, Masnabanga, Eitahola, Shakunjani, now we are born, must to chive. Kosio Mpalo, Mafukami, Kosie Kwaito, Mafukate, Kantupula, Skukatela, Santu, Mazen.